So the potatoes got eaten by deers. The potato plants are all chewed up. So I'm digging out the potatoes now so they don't rot. And look, they ate the tops off my extra tomato plants I had out front. Nothing out front is safe. I want to show you how easy this is when they're planted in mulchy stuff, straw and pine chips. I grabbed this plant, I pulled it up, and the potatoes just came right out. These beautiful purple babies. They're beautiful. And guess what? I think it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna go inside. Finish this later. There we go. Hello, beauties. Let me get you guys picked up. Okay, bye.